Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to calculate the monthly EMI amount. So the formula is I have right here equal PMT bracket and select this one divided by 12, we know that, and then we can comma select this cell and multiply with 12 comma and select this cell and bracket close and enter. Here we can see that the amount are generated, so we can only change here like I have type 4400 and enter, so the value are automatically changed. We can also change this value also. I have 5 enter, so we see that the value are automatically changes with respect to this range value.